Okay, this is my video for the third module for this course, and I chose to use Screencast-O-Matic. Um, I just thought it was the most interesting one. I see they have a lot of different options for video editing, and it was one I hadn't used before, but it seemed really, really interesting. One of the features I liked was that you could have your screen being recorded, which is very useful for me in math, but also like a little box of yourself on webcam, because I don't usually like this whole webcam thing, but sometimes it's necessary for maybe students to read lips, or it's easier to pay attention maybe when they see your face, because they know you as their teacher, and it's a lot different than just watching a random video online. I have used screen record in OneNote before, and also we used PowerPoint to record our screen in OneNote before we knew that we could do it in OneNote. And we would upload those for students who were absent. If we knew we were going to be absent as a teacher, we would leave those for the sub so that at least maybe the students could get some instruction from their own teacher, because we could never guarantee for high school math. Subs are few and far between. So that was always really helpful. So I really want to use this, what is it called? Screencast-O-Matic to start for the fall. I know we're talking about distance learning, blended, all sorts of stuff. And so what we're thinking about doing is a backwards lesson design where we will record the lessons ahead of time, and then the students will watch them and come to class, and then the students will work on their homework and then come to class with specific questions or help needed. And I feel like this would be the best use of everyone's time. Learning at home is very hard for these students. So I think if we can try and get them to watch our videos first, showing the explanations, they have that video to watch over and over and over and see where they're getting stuck. And so this helps our students become more responsible on their own, which I'm actually really excited for. Some of the barriers, I think one of them is just students having the technology or the ability to watch these lessons. I think one of the other struggles we had with distance learning was lack of participation. We have students come to class who don't even want to participate. So I think that's always a barrier. But I think it will also teach students to be more reliant on themselves rather than having the teachers explain everything. I think this could make a really good shift for education and for our students and just make them more self-sufficient. And they'll have the resources in front of them, but they can also come to class asking specific targeted questions instead of just, I don't get it. They can also take time to process the information before they come to class. So as far as the barriers, I think just motivation and having the technology and being able to use it confidently. Also, math is really hard to learn online without the teacher being able to work with you one-on-one. I was thinking about one of the first things that I was going to do, and my first thought was, again, the backwards lesson design where we record notes and do the screenshots or the screen record and have our students do that. But then I realized I'm not going to see these kids in person for the first time. And I really want them to get to know me a little and see me and just send out a recording of how, we're going to get through this together and I'm here for the help and, whatever we can to facilitate their learning and have them jump off to a really great school year. I think it'll be really fun to send out a video. I could also do it for parents. Usually I send home an email saying, here's what we are going to be doing. And I think it would be a fun thing for parents too, if I could just record a video and send it to them via email. So I think I got all of the topics. But yeah, I'm really liking this course so far because I used Teams a lot and OneNote a lot, but there's a lot of things I didn't know, and I'm really having fun exploring it.